Hey guys, as you can tell, I'm kind of in my bathroom. It's a little bit weird, but I'm actually doing my hair right now. It is currently 10. Okay. It's 10:51. We are actually going to Disney today, like always. I'm always going to Disney. But yeah, I'm actually doing my hair. For some reason, I wanted to curl my hair today, not just straighten it. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm going with somebody other than Giselle, Chris, and Dom. You've never seen her before, but she's one of my friends from high school, and we're actually gonna meet up. She's gonna come here, and then we're gonna drive to Disneyland. But yeah, I'll introduce you when she gets here, and I'm just gonna continue doing my hair, and I will see you in a bit. Okay, so I finished with my hair. It's all curled and voluminous. I used the AG Hair Cosmetics. It is a texture spray, so I just put it on the roots up here so it could like put down the flyaways, and then around here so it could get some texture. And then I also put some hairspray. I used the Aussie Awesome Volume. I use the Aussie Awesome Volume hairspray. Honestly, this I've had since I was like in high school, and it's been like 6 years. So I don't know if that's good for my hair, but it still works, even though my hair doesn't hold curls. So I'm gonna say that this is gonna be gone by the time I get to Disney, because my hair is like that. It doesn't like holding curls. But yeah, I'm just waiting for Karen. I don't know when she's gonna get here, but when she gets here, we're getting Starbucks. Okay, so I am fully ready. She's still not here, but I'll just show you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing the NASA shirt. I just kind of like did a little tie here. My belt, I don't know where my belt is from, but the NASA one is from Nordstrom. Oh yeah, the belt is from Garage. It's in like a, oh no, it's called Garage. It's a brand new place. My pants are from Topshop, and then I have my Doc Marten boots. Yes, I love them. They're like my favorite ones ever right now. And then as a sweater, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Lately I've been liking my like distressed black jacket, but there's a lot of holes in it. And right now, as you can see, I don't know if you could see, it is kind of cloudy outside and kind of chilly. So I don't want to wear that, so I'll figure out that situation soon. Or later, I don't know. Yeah, they're Christmas ears, though. They're my favorite ones. They're from Happily Ever After from Etsy. So I'll link them down in the description if you guys want to like look at her other stuff. These are my favorite. She had some like other Belle ones. Not like the actual Belle, the princess, but like for Christmas there was like gold bells which jingle. I wanted them, but people were like, no, it's gonna be annoying. So I didn't get them. I'll get them for next year. Okay? Just you wait. Okay, so I figured it out. I'm gonna wear this sweater with the little things. I always use this for ice skating. It doesn't keep you warm, but I'm always working. It's like I consider it a workout ice skating. So it's pretty thin, and I'm gonna wear my jacket over it. Yeah. I don't know. I'm like in love with my jacket right now, even though I had it like for 2 years. I just recently started loving it. And I think it's from Nordstrom too. It's from, the brand is, oh no, it's Topshop. Okay. Moto. I'm a size 4 US. They didn't have a size 2. I'm usually a size 2. But yeah. Hi Maverick. What is she, boy? Hi. Don't you like the camera? You look scared. Why are you scared? Why are you scared? What is it? Where are you going? Maverick. Maverick. No.
101 South.
Hey guys, this is Karen. You've never seen it before, but here she is. She's my high school friend. And we're going to Disney, as I already said earlier. And we were talking about stuff that I'm like, what is this? So we were talking about clouds. Like, what is a cloud?
Liana thinks is a group.
I don't know what it is. I heard of it before, but I'm not sure like exactly what it is.
And it's funny because I was recently talking about this with another of our friends, and she thought it was a person too. So it's just funny how people our age are not really like aware, I guess, of what's trending now.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna keep letting Leanna guess what clout is.
Oh my god. Can you give me a hint though?
It's like have you heard the song now with Cardi B and her?
I don't like Cardi B.
But you've heard it, haven't you?
I don't
like doing. What is it called? I don't even know the lyrics. It's something about doing it for clout or something like that. So what is it? It's a thing.
Wow. What?
So
Doing
it's
it
not a
for money?
person.
Money?
No.
No. Doing it for clout. Fame?
Yes.
It's fame?
Technically it's fame.
Okay.
It's just like
clout is fame.
yeah. That's the
Okay.
best way you can probably explain it. Because people will say like clout
US
for clout. It's basically
101
like
South is on
shout
the
me
right.
out
Oh,
for a
okay.
shout out,
Okay.
technically.
The Merrill twins, they kind of did something where they were doing what we're doing right now. Is like one of the girls knows all of the trendy like sayings right now, and she's like testing her on what it is. And there's
Proceed on the
one
current freeway.
where I don't understand what it is whatsoever.
What is it?
They're like, I oop. It's like more where you text on it. Like I see it more on Twitter than anything. But that's like I don't even know how to describe it. I don't know what it is. But it's like I
I've never
oop.
heard of it.
You gotta like Urban Dictionary this because I don't even know what it means. Like I oop. Just gotta say it like that. I oop.
Wait, you say it or you text it?
You text it.
I think we have to like go to an elementary school and like
And ask them what does I oop mean?
they know better than us. Let me just put it on Google.
Okay.
It says I oop me. Is there a meme of that? Is that how it started?
It's a meme, yeah.
Oh, it started by a drag race icon, Jasmine Masters.
Okay.
A phrase from a 2015 video.
2015 and we're barely like knowing this and making this trending.
Video.
Yay, traffic!
Yay, California.
I know, I hate California traffic. Oop.
Where?
Don't honk at me.
In a oop?
See, that's what. And I want to know what it means though. It makes you laugh more and more.
I've never seen this. That's so funny. This is when you're telling your parents a crazy story and you almost snitch on yourself. So it's kind of like
Being like you made a mistake or surprise yourself or something like that. Period. I'm gonna be saying that a lot today.
period. What does that mean?
That is the dopest flower, period.
Like,
Period.
just like period, but with a T.
It's
Oh.
usually when you're making a statement, it's at the end of a sentence, but it's like a true
And you're like,
statement. Girl, that is period.
Do you know whoa?
It's like you just
Isn't it the
Hit the whoa.
flies off. That's
Yeah.
It's like it's not. I don't even get it. It's not
Do you
even
know how to
like.
do it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's like.
Let's see.
It's stupid.
Let's
It's
see. No, I don't know how to do it.
That's
see
literally
people do
it.
it.
You do like little circles with your hands. You know, like how Doctor Strange goes like that.
Mhm.
You do them both.
No, it's more like.
No, I'm not even gonna try. I don't.
And now, ooh.
I'm not. I can't believe I'm never gonna do that. I kind of
We never figured it out though, but we'll see you at Disney. And then I have to push it up. I have a grande.
Oh, but it's thin in a way.
It feels weird with like a paper straw though.
I know. So good.
I got the mocha cookie combo with soy milk. Let me do that.
The dragon
Drink.
with coconut milk.
It was really good. I would prefer that other than the mango dragon fruit. Cause like the coconut milk adds a little oomph to it.
so? Have you tried it with lemonade? You didn't like it?
I didn't like it. It's too sour for me. To me, yeah.
But it evens out.
We were trying to find like the yellow sweater that she wanted, but they only have the shirt.
It's sold out.
Yeah, it sold out instantly.
The lady seemed kind of annoyed.
We asked a cast member and she seemed like she got the question asked a lot, so we were just like, okay, bye.
And she didn't even make eye contact with you. So.
I think that she saw us holding a camera, but she didn't like.
Oh, she thought you were probably. Can you see it?
It's that one.
But apparently it's sold out. What about?
You should get it online.
Oh, and it's the actual Disney website.
You should get it online then.
So if they have it online, why can't?
They probably sell it faster at Disney stores than it does online. Oh, also, it's a Tuesday and there's grad night. Like I see the little kids with the wristbands, and then
Our grad night was
a Thursday. Yeah. It was like on a Thursday after graduation. So it looks like there's not a lot of people, but you just see clumps of little kids everywhere, and I hate it. I'm sorry. I don't like it.
But wasn't ours like more schools, like schools?
It's
It
probably
doesn't seem
like
like there's that many.
it's probably like a lot of private schools.
See, my straw's already getting soggy.
Well, it's fine.
Look. So your drink is basically just chocolate?
It's literally a cookie. You wanna try it?
I don't know, I was craving it. Oh my god, that girl's hair is so long.
Not that long.
Do you think there's a too long?
Huh?
Do you think there's a too long? So yeah, it tastes like, it kind of tastes like the regular Milka one. The Java chip.
That's what I thought right away.
Have you tried that with the banana? So good. Like a blended banana inside.
Alright. I'm gonna cut this because it's already 7 minutes. We'll see you when we get drinks. Buy this? That's would think that like coming on a Tuesday, there wouldn't be grad night.
In a oop.
See, that's what in a